In the previous video, we learned how to use the echo statement to output string characters. Now in this video, we are going to use the echo statement to output numbers. Now heading over to our numbers.php, here we'll be writing our code. Now unlike the string.php, like I said, outputting numbers on the web browser, that is integers, is quite different from when you're trying to output a string. And the difference between outputting numbers and string characters is the quotation marks. So when you're outputting an integer, you don't use quotation mark. You just type the number straight ahead. Now let's open our PHP tag. And here we're going to be outputting integer echo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to save. Now heading over to the web browser, we'll change this string.php to numbers.php. Now as you can see, we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 integer displayed on the web browser. Our integer can either be a negative number or a positive number. It can also be a floating number. For instance, we can echo out, let's say, minus 45. Run it on the web browser, it brings the negative number, minus 45. Also, if this integer is a floating integer, that is an integer with a decimal point, you can also print it on the web browser. So this is a floating integer. When you refresh on the web browser, you get your integer displayed just the way it is. So this is how you can use PHP statement to echo out integers or numbers. It could be a signed number which is positive, or an unsigned number which is negative, or a floating point number which is an integer with the decimal point. In the next video, we'll be using the echo statement to output variable values.